Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will get the answers of chapter 6, 0R of your English literature reader book. So I'm just going to read out the answers for you. You can copy the questions from your book. Let's start with understanding the text. 1A. Bobby said this to his mother when she asked him his plans for the day. B. The listener, Bobby's mother, thought that Bobby was talking about games, his toy rocket, and make believe moon missions. C. The speaker, Bobby, had a second meaning in mind when he said this. He was really planning to go to the moon in a real rocket. He decided to give his mother a hint, though he knew that his mother would not guess his real plan. Answer 2. Bobby's own space rocket was 6 feet long with 2 seats and a neat instrument panel. That morning, Bobby did not spend time on it with real interest. We know that since he fussed around the rocket just until he could slip away without his mother noticing. He was not interested in his rocket that morning because he was planning to go to the moon in a real rocket, and he was very excited about that. Answer 3. One day, as Bobby was peeking up at the rocket from his hiding place, 2 scientists came and stood close to where he was hiding. One of them was his father. Bobby listened to their conversation and realized that the rocket was going to the moon. He did not hear anyone say that his father was going on the rocket, but he believed it because his father was the second biggest scientist in the place. The most important scientist was too old to go to the moon, so Bobby felt confident that his father would. Answer 4. In paragraph 26, Bobby is sitting inside the rocket. We see him next in the evening at his home in his bed in paragraph 37. He was there instead of inside the rocket because while hiding inside the rocket, he thought that if his father went to the moon, he should stay behind to look after his mother. So he got down and came back home. Answer 5A. Bobby said this to his father at night in his bedroom. Answer B. The speaker Bobby meant that he had gone inside the real rocket and was actually going to go off to the moon. Answer C. The listener, Bobby's father, thought that Bobby was talking about his toy rocket and a make-believe mission to the moon. Answer 6A. Bobby's father, John, thought this when Bobby told him that he had been planning to fly to the moon. Although Bobby was talking about really going to the moon in the real rocket, John thought his son was talking about playing at going to the moon in his toy rocket. He thought Bobby was talking about his dream world. V. In this situation, it was the grown up, Bobby's father, who thought that he was wiser. However, he did not really have the fuller and better understanding of the situation. He did not realize that Bobby had found the real rocket and had been inside it. He had no idea that his son had almost gone off to the moon and had got down from the rocket just in time. Answer B 2. The backyard, the dome where the rocket was kept. Answer 3. Inside the rocket, go to the moon. 4. Changes his mind and comes out of the rocket back home. 5. Fires the rocket. 6. Comes back home. 7. Talk at home about going to the moon and decide to play ball the next day. Now let's move on to appreciating the text, the long answer part of the chapter. Answer 1. Zero Hour is a suitable title for this story because something very important happens at a particular time in the story. It was the time when Bobby was hiding inside the rocket. He thought that he was going to the moon with his father. He did not know that his father was not going to the moon. This particular time was also crucial because in the few minutes before the rocket actually took off, Bobby thought of his mother, and it occurred to him that he should stay behind to look after her. He got off the rocket, thus he did not end up going off to the moon all by himself. Answer 2A. We know that Bobby loved and admired his father because when he heard that the rocket was going to the moon, he thought that his father would certainly go to the moon on the rocket. He was confident that no one was smarter or more suitable than his father to go to the mission. Later, back home, when he met John, he was glad that he had not gone to the moon since his father had not gone either. And he looked forward to spending some time with his father the next day. Answer B. We know that Bobby was a brave boy not only because he explored the underground passage and discovered the rocket, but also because he took the decision to go to the moon. The idea made him both excited and scared, but he made up his mind to go because he wanted to make his parents proud. Answer C. We know that Bobby was a responsible boy because although he was very excited at the prospect of going to the moon with his father and had even managed to get into the rocket and hide inside, he got down from it and came back home because he remembered his mother and thought that he should stay behind to look after her if his father was going to the moon. Now, children, with this, our chapter is now complete. Please write this down in your copy as soon as you can. Thank you.